Hi everyone, got ourselves a fresh to the floor 2021 Softail Slim. This is River Rock Gray Denim and Black Denim two-tone. And it is a pretty LED headlight up front. Blue sticker saying that it's ready, because it's ready for the floor. I don't remember what they call this seat, but it is very, very comfortable. Diamond stitching on it. This will have a 107 cubic inch motor, 6-speed transmission. Bike only has 1,458 miles. That is it. Other than the rear passenger pegs and the seat, this thing is bone stock. Super clean, low miles. Come on down and check it out. Vandervest Harley-Davidson, 1966, Velp Avenue in Green Bay, Wisconsin. If you have any questions about the bike or would like to schedule an appointment to come and see it, give us a call at 920-498-8822.